Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve TextNow call rejected problem. Now, if you're experiencing call rejected issue with the TextNow, ensure your internet connection is stable or check the TextNow app permissions and verify your account's limitation. So first of all, what you could do is you could always go ahead and check for an internet. So then go to settings, and here you want to go to internet and network and check whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. If not, then you could go ahead and restart your router or get connected to a better connection. That should be able to fix it as well. Now, if the issue persists on, then you could also try checking for an update. Sometimes outdated version can lead to this sort of issue. So you just have to go to the Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in TextNow and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. So after which you could go ahead and try whether the issue has been solved or not. However, if the issue persists on, you could try cleaning your cache as well as data. So for that, you want to go to the settings, and then you want to go to apps and notification. When you are on this page, you want to go to see all apps. After which, what you want to do is going to locate TextNow. You could also use the search bar too, and when you locate TextNow, what you need to do is open it up and go to storage and cache and make sure to clear cache as well as data. That should be able to fix the issue all at once, or else you could also try reinstalling the TextNow app, restarting your device, and that can be able to fix the issue as well. So these are some of the ways. In some cases, if you're using VPN or if you have disabled VPN, this could be an issue. So if you have enabled it, you could try disabling it, and likewise if you have disabled it, you could try enabling it. Check whether the issue solves or not. So these are the ways to fix your TextNow call rejected issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.